Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna explore the most difficult FAQ that most students miss on the 2026 AP Pre-Calculus exam. Now question C. The function m is given by MLS equals tangent square of 3s. Find all input values for m in the interval 0 to pi over 2 that yield an output value of 1, right? So technically we need to solve the equation tangent square of 3s equals 1, right? Now we're going to take square root both sides, so we have tangent of 3s equals 1 and tangent of 3s equals -1, right? 1 actually tangent of pi over 4 and tangent of 5 pi over 4, right? Alright, so we have tangent of 3s equals tangent of pi over 4. And then 3s equals pi over 4, right? Divide both sides by 3, s equals pi over 12. First solution, right? Second one, tangent of 3s equals tangent of 5 pi over 4, right? So 3s equals 5 pi over 4, and then s equals 5 pi over 12. Second solution, right? Make sure s is inside the domain right here, right? Now -1 is the same thing as tangent of 3 pi over 4 and tangent of 7 pi over 4, right? So we have tangent of 3s equals tangent of 3 pi over 4, and then 3s equals 3 pi over 4, right? S equals pi over 4, right? This is the third solution because it's inside the domain right here, right? And the last one, tangent of 3s equals tangent of 7 pi over 4, and then 3s equals 7 pi over 4, and then s equals 7 pi over 4 divided by 3. It's going to be 7 pi over 12, right? Is outside the domain which is greater than pi over 2. So this is not a solution. So we have 1, 2, and 3 solutions. And it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand